Welcome back to our channel. I just wanted to start off this video by saying thank you so much for 100 subscribers. We love you guys so much, and we are so excited to be finally filming this Q&A. So a few days ago we posted a video saying to comment down below questions for our Q&A, and we got quite a few questions, so we're going to be answering those today. Okay, so for the first question, it is, when did you start YouTube? We started, well, I had the YouTube account like early in May last year, but we posted our first video on June 28th, 2020. What is your animals? I'm assuming that means what kind of pets you have. We have one fish named Ellie.
And we have a gecko named Lulu. Mm-hmm. She's got a channel.
What is your favorite craft to do? What's your favorite craft?
I like painting, or like painting rocks.
Mine would probably be, I like to sew a lot, like sewing little stuffed animals.
Collages and stuff.
Collages?
Yeah.
Who inspired you to make your YouTube channel? I don't even know if I don't really remember this too well, but I don't know if it was anybody that really inspired me to do it. I think it was just because I like ever since I was really little, I like to make videos like with My Little Ponies and stuff, and like pretend I was posting them to YouTube and stuff like that. But then finally, like when I got older, then I realized that I could actually make real videos and post them for real on a YouTube channel. But nobody really inspired us, I don't think. Favorite emoji? My favorite emoji is probably any of the cat emojis.
The emoji with the smiling emoji with the hearts around its face.
With its tongue sticking out?
Yeah.
Zodiac sign? My zodiac sign is Libra.
Mine is Virgo.
And Julia, yours is Cancer. Favorite show? My favorite show is probably America's Got Talent.
Yeah, I like America's Got Talent.
Yours is American Ninja Warrior. Do you have a pet? If you do, what animal? If not, what pet would you want? We do have two pets, like we said before. A fish named Ellie.
And a gecko named Lulu.
But for the pet, like what pet would I want? I would like to get a cat. Who is your inspiration? Like I said before, we don't really have an inspiration. We just kind of decided to do it. Favorite YouTubers? Lots of the small YouTubers that like we like support each other and stuff like that.
I like Mariah Elizabeth.
Yeah, well, yeah, I really like Mariah Elizabeth for like a bigger YouTuber, but like for a small one, I like Olivia's Story, Caitlin Grace, Lillian, Luna's Daydream, Coco's Lilac. There's a lot of them. If you want to see like all of our favorite, you can go to our channel, and then I think there's a section in it that says like Amazing People or something like that, and those are lots of our favorite channels. Favorite color? Probably like pastel rainbow. I mean, that's not really a color, but
I like all pastel.
Mm-hmm. Mint or teal.
I like the movie Yesterday.
I like the movie that we watched, the Lucky Coin one. What's that called?
Jinxed.
It's called Jinxed.
Yeah.
My favorite movie? My favorite movie is probably there was like one that I knew, like I was thinking of it, like what I was gonna say, but now I don't remember. Oh, it's called Hotel for Dogs. Favorite book?
I like all the Raina tell.
Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Yeah, like Smile, Sisters, and Guts, and Drama, and
yeah,
like all those like graphic novels.
What's your favorite book, Juliet?
I have one.
First name, my name is Clara.
My name is Matilda.
My name is Juliet.
Age, I'm 12.
I'm 10.
And how old?
5.
It's Ellie.
Hi, Underrated Queen. Congratulations on 100 subscribers. Thank you. Are you Muslim? If you are, do you know about Ramadan? We are not Muslim, but I have heard about Ramadan. And how are you? I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm good.
And where do we live? We live in the United States. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you one more time for 100 subscribers. I love you guys so, so much.
I love you.
Yeah. And we promise you that there will be some really good videos coming soon. So stay tuned for that. Feel free to, in the comments, to write your answers for any of the questions so we can get to know you guys better if you would like to. Bye guys!